Today's graphic design tip of the day brings us to Adobe Photoshop, where we're going to look at a newly trending style that makes it look like you're looking through 3D glasses. In order to start this in Photoshop, we're going to open up an image, which I've done already, and make a copy of that image layer. So if you go down to your layer palette in the bottom right hand corner and just simply click on that image and drag it down to the new layer button, you're going to end up with two of the exact same layer. Now on your topmost layer, I'm going to right click and go up to your blending options menu. Once you open up this menu, we're going to turn off all of your color channels except for red. So click on the little check mark next to G and B for green and blue, and go ahead and click OK. Now nothing initially happens, but if you use the arrow keys on your keyboard now to move this layer right or left, slowly you start to see the difference, that the channels are dividing and you get that nice cyan blue and red that's going to look like that 3D glasses look. I hope you enjoyed today's tip of the day.